Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashionable blog.
In today's video, I will be sharing with you different types of Ramzan outfit for girls with name. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 1. Hijab plus tunic plus pant. Number 2. Hijab plus long shrug. Number 3. Hijab plus floral tunic plus pant. Number 4. Hijab plus kurta plazo set. Number 5. Hijab plus floral maxi. Number 6. Hijab plus high-low kurti plus pant. Number 7. Hijab plus pleated skirt. Number 8. Hijab plus check shirt plus pant. Number 9. Hijab plus belted tunic plus pant. Number 10. Hijab plus floral tunic plus plazo. Number 11. Hijab plus long tunic plus pant. Number 12. Hijab plus kaftan kurti plus pant. Number 13. Hijab plus skirt. Number 14. Hijab plus denim outfit. Number 15. Hijab plus tear tunic plus pant. Number 16. Hijab plus tiered overall dress.
Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.